You've probably seen this before. It's called a QR code, and it's a type of barcode that can easily be read by most of today's cell phones. But did you know it has a great use in the classroom also? I'm going to show you today how to create a QR code using Google's own shortener, Goo.gl. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your website, for example, I'm using a YouTube video, and you want to click shorten URL. So now I have this short URL here. However, if I come down to my history, I will see that same URL, and I will see a button that says Details. When I click Details, it will show me a nice little graph saying, hey, no one's looked at this website, and it'll also show me a QR code. If I right-click, I can save the QR code, or I can copy the image. I'm going to copy the image for this example, and we're going to go over to a new document in Google Drive so I can show you. As you see, you just come to the document and you click Paste. The image will appear here, and now if somebody was to hold up a cell phone, they would go to that YouTube video that I had used. The reason this is good is because while some of my students don't have computers at home, most of them do have cell phones. I'm not exactly sure how that works either, but bear with me, that's how my school happens to be. So if I put a QR code on their homework worksheets, and they're confused about something that they have to do, they can scan the barcode, and up will pop a video. Awesome, right? But there's an even better use for these barcodes. And for that, I'm going to show you a different website called QR Stuff. What I really like about QR Stuff is it gives you an option of the type of data. So let's say we want to do Google Maps. You can put in your latitude, you can put in your longitude, or you can get an exact address. So let's say I want to do Liberty Bell, Philadelphia. I click Go, and it's going to find the Liberty Bell right here at Independence Hall, and it's going to give me a QR code that when I click Download, it brings up an image, and now I have a QR code that will show my students the Liberty Bell's location. This is an awesome feature if you teach older students, or maybe you want to do some kind of scavenger hunt while you're on a field trip. You can set up all these QR codes, tell them where to go, and there you go. I do like this because, like I said, it will give you that exact location. It also allows you to change the color. If you're going to do photocopies, leave it black and white, which is why Google is perfect. But if you want to use it on a website or a flyer or anything else, changing the color yourself can mess up the barcode. Trust me, I've tried it. Coming to QR Stuff, you can pick your color, and it'll change it for you, any color you want. So this way, you know the code will still work in whatever color you're printing it in. Again, download the code, use it wherever you need it. That's the difference between QR Stuff and Google URL Shortener. QR Stuff will not let you right-click. You have to download it. Google, you can right-click, save or copy. So that's how to make a QR code in a nutshell. If you have any questions, please leave a message.